Hi Capricorn and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cast wheel for the month of October 2020, and we will see what kind of vibrations are you getting from the universe in this month, what exactly you need to adopt in terms of energies, and what exactly you need to release from yourself in terms of negative and toxic energies, Capricorn. So let's get ahead. But then before we go ahead in the reading, I would like to share my contact numbers with you. That's India number, so you can write it down like 918448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website, which is www.blossomlifetarot.com. Great. So let's get ahead, and as usual, we are going to start the reading with the theme of the month card for you and see what exactly the theme is telling you. Excuse me. So the very first card, which is your theme of the month card, it talks about tree wisdom. What is that? Well, Capricorn, I think you need to connect with nature. You've not connected with yourself, the true self of yours. How long has it been that you have listened to the music? How long has it been that you have connected with the nature? That's something which is missing in your life, and you are in true need of that. You are in urgent need of that, and you need to focus on it, Capricorn. Get out of your shell. Look at the world. Look at the beauty of the nature. Admire that. How long has it been that you have sat under a tree and you have connected with nature? You haven't for some long time. This month is giving you that opportunity. Please do that. Connect with yourself, Capricorn. Get ahead with the very first week, which is talking about a beautiful energy, which is an energy talks about renovating your house, talking about being a part of a celebration, being a part of a wedding, being a part of an engagement ceremony, being and enjoying the hard work you have put in for some time. Maybe you want to build your own house now. You want to focus there. This month and the very first week is talking about starting something new. You are looking at your relationship from a fresh perspective. You are giving a fresh perspective to your relationship. People who are not in a relationship right now, they can expect something new happening in the first week of October with them. You will meet someone new, maybe at a wedding or a ceremony, a celebration, a get together. This is a place you will get to see this person, and you will meet this person for the very first time. That's wonderful, isn't it? Right. Second week tells you to value the customs made by the society. It is talking about focusing on studies. It is talking about respecting the boundaries which are set by the society for you. Values of society, values of the social, social boundaries which are defined by the society for us, the world for us. There could be some dispute around that. Maybe someone has crossed its limits which were defined by the family or the society, and there the dispute is happening. What is the reason of this dispute? It's ego. There's an ego because of which you're having a dispute in the family. It's a family dispute. It is talking about a dispute in the family, Capricorn. Try and manage that well. Try and manage your family disputes well. The origin of this dispute is happening from whom? Someone who's like a head of family, someone who's considered to be the eldest person in the family. This person's approach is a little rude. Maybe he's a little too much conservative, and people who actually are very strict with the customs of the family or customs of the society, and they have built that ego around them. Then if anyone breaches that, There has to be punished, and that's what is happening. That's the core of the problem, dispute this month in the second week. But I think this person was behaving this way for a very long time. He was like this for a long time. But now the time has come that this person will actually has to put his weapons down, because you are not going to listen to that person. You are the one who will finish it off in this month forever. And then what does happen after that? What is going to happen after that? Once you kill this matter forever, once you have put your foot down and say, I don't agree with you, and I'm not going to live my life like this, the way you are telling me. We're not going to follow your customs and your values the way you are setting it up, because this person is acting too conservative. This person is acting too rigid, too authoritative with you, which you are not liking, Capricorn. Maybe this is your partner who's trying to rule you, who's trying to, dominate you, or your family member is trying to dominate you. You're not going to take that at all. And see, what are you doing? You're not going to take it. You're going to get very, very aggressive with this person this month, and he will have to pay it to you, because it has put you into immense pressure. It has got you aggressive, Capricorn. So your enemies, they should actually save themselves from your anger. You're not going to leave them. I mean, that's visible in the cards. But be calm. Try if you can solve problems with a little bit of politeness and by being calm. Try that, I will suggest. Third week. Now what has happened. You can't change that, right? What's gone is gone. What has happened. So don't get into that repent and regret kind of a scenario out of the results, the way you act in second week. I'm again telling you, if you can manage the situation nicely, politely, and a very amicable manner, that will be the best way to manage that, because you're going to get very aggressive, and your aggression is not only going to hurt other people, it is going to hurt you also at the same time. So manage it well, Capricorn, because after all this, you're going to get a little introvert. You will think in yourself. You will think within yourself. You will be very scared to open up in front of people, and that's not a good sign, Capricorn. That is not at all a good sign. Money will become a concern in the fourth week. Maybe you don't want to spend that much as you used to spend, in your last year, a couple of months back. You're going to act like a miser. So I'm not making fun of you, but I'm just saying that keep control on your money now, then repenting later. Cut down on your extra costs, cut down on your extra expenses in the month of October, in September itself, so that October becomes a better month for you. Right? You're going to recover, and there's a reunion also which is happening in your cards. You're meeting old friends, you're meeting old people. You're going to get reunited with old friends, old people, which is going to bring some celebration time in your life. You're going to enjoy this time. If you have not met with your friends for a long time now, there's a get together which is happening for you with your friends. So enjoy that. That can also happen, Capricorn. If I look at the outcome card, how the outcome is going to be in the month, then I will say that problems are not as critical and serious as you are making them. You are making them severe. You're making them critical. You're hypering them. That is what you don't have to do. Overthinking is ruling your mind. You're thinking a little too much in this month. You don't need to. Is there a need of thinking? Has anyone solved any problem in this world by only overthinking? No. Action makes things better rather than overthinking. So I'll have to tell you that. That's very important. Important things are happening in this month. Few of you may get introvert also when it comes to relationships. You don't want to share your feelings with your loved ones. That can also happen in this month. Another thing what I want to mention here is, which is your relationship card, which says, do not criticize people. You have done this, you've done that, why did you do it, why did you do that, I could do it better than you. It hurts the other person, and it goes for your relationship. Do not pinpoint mistakes of your partner just like that, just to have fun. Don't do that. It's going to impact not only you but to her also. And don't blame me if the person acts like this. Okay, so control your criticism, keep it up to you, keep it with you. You don't need to tell them each and everything as you know you're criticizing them. Any of you who's having a bad relationship with their parents, time has come that you work it out. Mend your relationships with your parents, make it better. It is you who has spoiled it. It is you who will have to mend it. Behave properly, behave nicely. Until and unless you don't give respect to your parents, your partner will not give it back to them. So you respect them first, then expect others to respect them. And time has come that you and your partner both resolve your issues with your parents and reunite with them. That's very important, Capricorn. So work towards that. Okay, take care. God bless you. Be happy, be nice to people, and take care. Bye.